here. It is time for Top Thrill 2 to launch out of the station here at Cedar Point. Derek, are you ready for this?
I am ready to go, and this is our first time, and you're riding with us. How excited are you today, Elizabeth?
Ecstatic. Absolutely cannot imagine the experience this is getting ready to go as we launch 3 times.
3 times, forward, backwards, and forward again. It's the fastest triple launch coaster in the world, right?
It is. We are going to hit speeds of 120 miles an hour, and I cannot wait for that weightless moment as we hit the spike. What are you looking forward to?
Oh my gosh, I think that weightless spike, yes.
Yeah.
It's new, it's 90 degrees, 420 feet high. It's going to be unbelievable.
It is. This is going to be an experience that I can't wait for us to take this ride with you this morning. I am Elizabeth Ringas, president of American Coaster Enthusiasts.
I'm Derek Perry, Communications Director for American Coaster Enthusiasts, and we're so excited to be here at Cedar Point for their brand new roller coaster for 2024, Top Thrill 2.
This is going to be amazing. We are rolling out of the station, and we are going to be launched at over 90 miles an hour forward, and then it's going to be rollback time.
Oh my gosh, these seats are so comfortable too.
They are.
It's just a lap bar, so you're free to feel all the rush.
But at 5'4", my feet don't touch the ground, so I'm getting a floorless experience a bit with my feet dangling. Kind of cool. I'm excited. And that makes it really important. There are no backless shoes allowed on this ride. So make sure that you don't wear flip-flops if you're coming to ride Top Thrill 2. Here we go. 90 miles an hour.
Launch at 74 miles per hour.
Woo!
Up the tower.
There we go.
And a rollback.
Here comes the rollback. The roller coaster dream, right?
That's so cool.
Oh, here comes
101 miles per hour. The fastest backward launch in the world.
Yeah!
And up the tower.
That is incredible. Wow.
Woohoo! The air time.
Here we go. Back to the
40 miles
station.
per hour.
Oh.
Here we go. 420 foot spike.
Wow. Over the top hat and a view of, wow, the lake. Yeah. Wow.
Oh, out of your seat. Out of your seat, being up 420 feet in the air, out of your seat. That is so different. I've never experienced anything like that before.
It was, exactly. That was a really unique experience. That was incredible. Wow.
I was blown away. Definitely a top thrill. Oh my gosh.
Yes, it is. That hits tops. And I actually love that top hat even more than I expected. Wow. That's a winner. Good job, Zamperla and Cedar Point. You built a winner, and I can't wait to see everybody having a great time making memories this summer.